Look, if you're an online seller using platforms like Shopify, Etsy, Amazon, or Flipkart, you already know the massive headache we're tackling today: manual GST tracking. I mean, it's tedious, it's confusing, and quite frankly, it just drains the energy right out of running your e-commerce business. Tracking every single transaction and trying to match it with constantly changing tax rules, it can honestly feel like a full-time job on its own. But today, we're going to fix that. We're going to look at exactly how AI can completely transform this process for you.
Shopify sales and bank accounts matching nahi ho rahe. Have you ever just stared at your screen asking yourself that exact question? Feeling that rising panic of mismatched accounts? Well, you are definitely not alone. It's a daily struggle that instantly validates just how incredibly complex online selling compliance has become today. You know the drill. You make a sale, but the money hitting your bank account tells a totally different story.
Okay, let's dive right into this. Here is our roadmap for today's explainer. We'll start with the e-commerce GST headache. Then we'll move into automating invoices and HSN. Follow that up with smart reconciliation with AI. Touch on bulletproof returns and ITC. And finally, wrap it all up with AI tools and ultimate setup.
Section 1. The e-commerce GST headache. The problem with multi-platform selling.
Expanding your brand across platforms like Shopify, Etsy, Amazon, Flipkart, and even your own custom websites is absolutely fantastic for your sales numbers. But let's be completely honest with ourselves. Behind the scenes, it creates a deeply fragmented nightmare. Each and every platform has its own distinct reporting style and fee structure, and that makes GST filing, invoicing, and reconciliation a chaotic puzzle where the pieces never really seem to fit perfectly together at the end of the month, no matter how much you yell at your Excel sheets.
Section 2. Automating invoices and HSN. Let's fix that daily grind.
Now, what's really interesting here is how seamless this gets. Imagine a customer places an order on your Shopify store. Instead of you sitting there manually calculating the taxes, the AI instantly jumps in as your virtual accountant. It pulls the product details, sees the 1,000 rupee product value, perfectly calculates the exact 18% GST, which is 180 rupees, and totals it up to 1,180. In literally milliseconds, it generates a perfectly formatted, ready-to-email PDF invoice. It instantly handles those immediate repetitive tasks so you just don't have to.
But, it gets way smarter than just basic math. Think about the massive risk of categorizing your products incorrectly. Let's say you launch a brand new pet product. Is it a dog bed, a pet cushion, maybe a pet sleeping mat? Selecting the wrong HSN code for that item can lead to some truly dreaded tax notices down the line. But AI, it actually analyzes your product description and correctly suggests the exact HSN category, the applicable GST rate, and even similar classifications. It completely removes all that guesswork and actively prevents those future compliance headaches from even happening.
Section 3. Smart reconciliation with AI. Let's find your missing money.
Okay, say your Shopify sales report shows 1,20,000 rupees, but your bank only received 1,18,000 rupees. Where on earth did that 2,000 rupees go? This right here is a massive aha moment for so many sellers. Instead of you hunting through endless spreadsheets line by line, the AI instantly cross-checks your orders, your payment gateway reports, and your bank statements. It immediately identifies that the missing amount is due to payment gateway fees, maybe a processed refund, or a missing order, and it generates a perfectly clean mismatch report for you.
And for those of you selling on Amazon or Flipkart, this next part is absolutely crucial. E-commerce TCS reconciliation. These platforms, they automatically deduct tax collected at source, right? Well, the AI automatically compares your 2 lakh rupees in platform sales against the 2,000 rupees TCS deducted by the platform. Then it checks it directly against the 2,000 rupees actually credited on the GST portal. And if there's even a single rupee out of place, the AI alerts you immediately. No surprises.
Section 4. Bulletproof returns and ITC. Securing your monthly filings.
I want you to think of this critical monthly phase as your AI acting as an impenetrable shield. It validates all your data before anything goes anywhere near the government. Right before you file your GSTR-1 or GSTR-3B, the AI runs this comprehensive pre-filing check. It's continuously scanning for missing GST identification numbers, duplicate invoices, wrong tax rates, or invalid invoice numbers. For example, if your sales register shows 5 lakh rupees, but your GSTR-3B entry says 4,50,000 rupees, the AI instantly flags that exact 50,000 rupee mismatch way before you hit submit. That saves you from a very costly, very stressful mistake.
And this brilliantly illustrates how we optimize your input tax credit, or ITC.
Tracking what you can and absolutely cannot claim is tedious, and it's highly prone to human error. The AI automatically analyzes your business purchases. Whether it's packaging materials, advertising spend, software subscriptions, or office expenses, it clearly separates the eligible ITC from the blocked ITC. This basically ensures you legitimately claim every single rupee you're entitled to, while completely avoiding those nasty penalties for claiming blocked credits.
But hey, what if the dreaded GST department notice actually arrives anyway? Say you receive a complex DRC-01 document, which, let's face it, is usually enough to give any business owner a mild panic attack. Well, AI tools like ChatGPT can ingest that dense legal text and instantly summarize the whole thing for you. It'll clearly outline the demand amount, the specific reason they're sending the notice, your exact due date, and the required actions. It will even list the necessary documents you need to gather, and it can even draft a highly professional reply for you to review. Talk about a lifesaver, right?
Section 5, AI Tools and Ultimate Setup. Let's put it all together.
Just imagine the incredible peace of mind of opening your laptop in the morning to a centralized daily AI dashboard. At a single glance, you see today's sales, your current GST liability, any pending returns, your TCS receivable, your available ITC, and most importantly, your estimated profit. Combined with an automated monthly filing checklist, it literally gives you a real-time, perfectly accurate pulse on both your compliance status and your actual profitability. It means no more flying blind.
Let's move along and see how this builds into the ultimate automated setup. It really is an elegant, powerful 4-step workflow. Step 1, your multi-platform orders automatically flow right into Google Sheets. Step 2, that Google Sheet is continuously fed directly into your AI for instant analysis and reconciliation. Step 3, the AI goes to work and generates a pristine, error-free GST report. And Step 4, that GST report flawlessly prepares your GSTR-1 and GSTR-3B filings. It's just that simple. So, the absolutely crucial point here is this. Implementing this specific setup eliminates up to 80% of the tedious, manual GST work you're currently doing. Just let that sink in for a second. 80%. It drastically reduces human error, it actively protects you from those awful compliance notices, and it saves you just an immense amount of time every single month.
Which leaves us with one final, very important question to ponder as we wrap up this explainer. With 80% of your compliance fully automated, how will you use that reclaimed time to scale your online empire? Will you source new products, maybe expand to entirely new markets, or improve your marketing? Seriously, go out there, streamline those systems, and get back to focusing on what you actually love doing, growing your business.